In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Android app not installed error. So let's just get straight into the video. To fix the app not installed error on Android, what you want to do is enable install unknown apps for your browser in your settings. So first things first, open your settings, and what you want to do is simply go ahead and look for the
11 o'clock.
look for the apps, and then you want to simply go ahead and look for special app access, and then make sure that you have the app accesses right over here. So on install unknown apps, make sure that it is going to be allowed right over here. So allow from this source on any browser. So once you've done that, it should go ahead and work. If it still doesn't, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings one more time, head into apps, and then look for see all apps. And now you want to simply go ahead and look for Google Play Store. And inside of Google Play Store, simply go ahead and click on the storage and cache and click on clear cache. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.